Hello, my name is Florin Tăciune and I'm at Istanbul Vita. I will tell you a little bit about my experience at Istanbul Vita. I did, as you can see, a hair implant, and it was a very smooth and positive experience. Starting with my interaction with Carmen, the original counselor, and going after to meet Dr. Tuğçe, who was taking care of my implants, and the girls that were helping her, the assistants. It was really easy and almost pain-free. You have a little bit of pain when you do the anesthesia, but after that it was literally no pain. I have now about 24 hours plus minus from the moment the surgery, the intervention finished, and it was last night no pain at all. As you can see, it looks very well and I feel very good. I follow the rules that I got from Dr. Tuğçe, all the details from there. I'm very impressed, honestly, with the services that I got here. I live in Canada for 20 years almost, and I'm really impressed with Istanbul Vita and how everything worked out. Thank you, Istanbul Vita.